Our motto here at Emerson is be bold, be first, and be curious. Our students are bold in their kindness and how they treat others. They're first in being resilient and in problem solving, and they're curious of the world around them.
Being a student here at Frisco Emerson, it just feels like you're welcome into a big community. Having a lot of the students and staff be involved with a lot of the stuff that's going on at the school. Everyone makes sure that they support each other, whether it's sports or events or just in the classroom. And it's just, I feel really welcome by being part of this community.
Everyone here is just so nice to you, and even the teachers, they're always there for you, and so it's really supportive.
I think our teachers are the first ones to step up and initiate being bold, first, and curious, which in return, our kids model that as well.
Our learning spaces are open, they're collaborative, and we focus on really project-based learning so that students are not just memorizing, they're problem solving, they're working together to solve real-life issues.
One of my favorite things about being here at Emerson High School is Power Hour. We have lunch for a whole hour and we get to walk around, we get to go meet new people, and we also have the opportunity to go to tutorials. And I really love it because it encourages connection between grade levels.
At Emerson, we focus on high academic standards, but we also focus on skills that students need for life after high school. So whether that's communication, collaboration, or having agency in their decisions and in their learning, we want them to be proficient in those skills so they're ready to take that next step in their life, regardless of what that may be. If those are the qualities that you want to live up to and come be a maverick, we invite you to Emerson today.